Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to add background image in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open that actual page where you want to add a background image and then click on edit. So I want to add a background image in this section, so I'm clicking on pencil icon and selecting background and select image and click on add an image, upload file, and now select your image. So here you can see the background image has been added, and you can select full blade or you can select inset. Also you can increase and decrease overlay opacity. So this was how we can add a background image in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.